Dentures used to be the only tooth replacement option for patients, but now the revolutionary 4-hour smile procedure allows patients to receive a full set of permanent replacement teeth in just a day. Dr. Graves from AOMS joins us today with more about this procedure. It sounds almost too good to be true.
I mean, if you think about dentures,
yeah,
George Washington had dentures.
Yes, he did.
I mean, would you ever go to your cardiologist and have a procedure they've been doing to your heart for the last 200 years? So,
yeah,
to me, in my opinion, dentures are one of those things that are going to be a thing of the past, probably in the near future.
I just remember my mom and my grandmother and dentures and all those random accidents where they're talking and literally they fall out, or I can't find my teeth, all of those sort of things. You don't have that problem anymore. They're there. They're in.
You know, what we're seeing now is a lot of the baby boomers are kind of getting a little older, and you know, people, we don't want to age. We don't want to get older. We have Botox and cosmetic surgery, and people associate having a set of dentures with getting old. And you know, we fight this, you know, especially with the baby boomers. So people want an alternative to not having dentures, or at least not having something they can take in and out of their mouth.
Right. And this is something, and it's in place. It's incredible technology, and you guys are getting it done. And I've seen some of the results. They look phenomenal.
I tell people, this is one of the most life-changing procedures you'll ever have. Because people with bad teeth or dentures, I mean, that is something that they stress about on a daily basis. Just like you said, they worry about their teeth falling out, or they worry about people judging them based on their teeth. And when, you know, studies have shown, when you meet somebody, the first two things you notice are their eyes and their teeth. Right. So people know this, and I think people, you know, get really, really self-conscious about themselves when they have bad teeth. So those people are willing to do whatever it takes to have good teeth and not to have dentures.
Well, walk us through the procedure and what it takes, what it involves.
Okay, you know, you come in, either have dentures or you have bad teeth that you need to replace. The surgery takes me about 4 hours to do the surgery. Okay. And essentially, when you leave my office, you leave with, you have a temporary on at the time of the surgery, but you leave with basically permanent teeth that are screwed into the implants. You brush them with a toothbrush just like you do your normal teeth. Right. And you can't take these in or out. The only person who can remove these would be myself or maybe another dentist.
Somebody in the office, yeah.
And periodically, you'll need those things removed when you have your teeth cleaned. But they're not dentures. They're like a permanent bridge that you have in your mouth. And you can basically eat anything you want to with these things.
All right. This, I mean, I think I'm fascinated in that there is this option now where it is, and it's like you said, it's just better. Like, technology has come a long way. It's just flat out better. Yeah,
we're not Abraham Lincoln, not George Washington.
No,
right?
no, we don't need to do that. So you can enjoy all the foods that you love without the slippage, all that good stuff, and the success rate is incredible.
Oh, we have about a 95% success rate when we do this procedure. It's a lifetime procedure. It lasts forever. And the thing about the implant is the implant kind of stimulates a tooth. So it preserves the bone in your jaw. Okay. And if you ever notice someone who has dentures for a long time, especially younger people who get dentures, when they're young, as they age, it almost like their jaw becomes smaller and their cheeks kind of cave in. That's just over time with that denture pounding on the jaw, the bone resorbs. And with the implants, you don't see that.
So you prevent the bone loss. Overall, just overall, it's better for your health.
Oh, you're going to age much more gracefully with implants than you would with dentures.
Can we be honest? Isn't that what it's all about? That's what we're all trying to do. We're all trying to defy gravity.
Yeah, you're a perfect example of you know, why people want this procedure.
We're just trying to do it. How can we set up a consultation?
Just call the office.
Okay.
And set a consultation. We do a consult with this procedure probably almost every single day.
4 hours.
4 hours, you're done.
Wow. All right, well, we appreciate it so much, Doctor. Again, you can go over to their website. You can also give them a call, and we'll check in with you again next week. Coming up, people everywhere have fitness.